Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video for everybody who is a returning subscriber. Good to see you guys all again, and welcome back to everybody again, saying the same thing. Welcome to everybody who's new here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a 4K sample with the Canon EOS 250D SL3, and we are going to be doing this like vlogging style, and also I've done a little cinematic video for you guys too, so you can see the difference. And also I'm going to be with the model today, so you guys can see the length, the focal length, and this crop to see is it really something that you want to put yourself through when you're doing it, because I know it can be maybe a little bit tricky sometimes if your arms are not like monkey style like me. So if you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe, and if you are getting value out of it, smash that like and let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you guys need help with or something else that I can answer about this. Make sure you stay until the end of the video too, because I have included some other tips about like shooting and frame rate, what you are going to be able to do, and like what limitations you have as well shooting with the camera. But I hope this solves everybody's problems or questions that you might have with it. Like I said, if not, drop me a comment. And I hope you guys are all doing good. Guys, this is our model today, Alex. Al, say hi. Hey there. So let me just show you. No, stay there because I just need to work. Okay, so let me just show you guys. So right now this is where I'm standing, and this is in 4K, and let me just show you guys the exact same position. And this is normal, so you can see there's like quite a big crop, but if you're shooting somebody else it's not too bad. And let me just show you the distance. So, and I'll just show you the crop one more time, and now we're back in 4K. Okay guys, hey Al. So this is the 4K, vlogging in 4K. You can see like it's quite close, but if you have a long monkey arm like me, it's not going to be too bad. And also, let me just show you. Still delish. See, it's not too bad. One thing I did want to show you guys though, there is a mad rolling shutter on it. So when you do get it down to 4K and crop it, it has this kind of like well, let me just show you an example now. Stay there. So you can see, move your, well, not too bad like that, but it's just if you make any fast camera movements. But that's fine. Now let me show you guys how it looks in, let me show you guys how it looks now in just a normal. Okay guys, and now we're back in the 25 frames per second 1080p. You can see like it's very hard to concentrate with somebody's hand behind your head. And okay guys, one thing to mention though, in 4K you can't get the 60 frames per second. It's only 24 frames per second, which is a little bit better than 1080p if you do want 24, because you can't get that in a 1080p mode. But yeah, so you can do, I mean, it's just not going to be too good if you want that super cinematic look for slowing it down. Normally you would shoot at like 60 frames per second and then slow it down a little bit, which no es posible. But 24 frames per second is still good. And this is the clip that I've just showed you guys now. We've shot this all in the one, 24 frames. Give a big shout out to Al, очень приятно, спасибо большое. Thanks for the model. And if you guys did like the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think. And thanks guys, I will see you on the next video. Hasta luego.